ISE 2024, stand 3 that we're on now, after we had a little mix-up beforehand. First of all, Mr. Philipp Gude, could you tell me what stand number you're on?
3E820.
You have passed, well done. So this is Mr. Philipp Gude. Gude by name, Gude by nature. This is the man, the myth, Mr. Gude himself. It's very rare you get this, but someone who is a family-owned business in Germany, all engineered and all made in-house. Tell me more.
Yes, then thanks for the introduction. I will jump right away into the products. Yeah, for all guys here, you want to see the hot, awesome, reliable and smart products.
Okay.
So we have this guy here. It's a 4-port version. It's one of the smallest units in the market. And as you can see, I can hold it with my hand easily. So it's a 4-port unit. We can switch every single outlet. We have power cycling on every single outlet. We have a sensor port to monitor temperature, humidity. We also you can also measure the power. And we have surge protection built in to protect your devices.
This is brilliant for cinema racks, behind TVs.
Yes.
Those smaller kind of like media rooms
100%.
where skyboxes breakers internally.
Yes,
Yeah?
100%, 100%.
Come on, what else?
Yeah, yeah. Then we have the biggest guy here. So we also say it's a Mercedes, yeah, because it's an AC/DC PDU. So with this unit, you do not need any power transformers anymore. We have 12 and 24 voltage and 5 voltage in one device. And in total 21 switchable outlets, and that's actually for the bigger racks.
Wow.
So if you have bigger projects,
Can you switch the 12 volts and the 24 volts?
Yes. Yeah. So every single outlet here.
That's good.
Yeah. It's nice. It's handy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moving along.
Yes. Yes. We have some other new unique devices because for the island. You hear me? For the UK guys, we have UK outlets. Yeah, you do not need any adapters anymore or power transformers. You just plug it in and easy. Yeah. So on one rack here, we actually achieved to have 8 UK outlets, and again switching, metering, and surge protection inside.
Amazing.
If you want 12 outlets, we also have that with IEC. So yeah, we have everything what you need, I think.
Cool.
Yeah.
Last of all,
Yeah.
tell me about it.
Not the last, one more,
Okay.
but the last before the last.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say that in English, but yeah.
Penultimate.
So that's a 2 PDU in 1. So we have 2 inputs here. And so if you need more power, or if you want to divide amplifier or control and audio, you can do that here. Or 1 UPS and 1 normal power supply, so you can do that here also. So it's a 2 PDU in 1.
Yeah. Can you tell me about the strip bars without actually going over there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have new vertical ones for the bigger racks, and it fits behind every rack, so you don't have to have a rack queue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can leave that space for other devices. You can put a vertical PDU inside the rack, and we have 2 versions. We have a 20 outlet version and a 30 outlet version, and yeah, 1 phase. And again, all the things, surge protection, metering, and power cycling in one device. And yeah, they are pretty nice. Look at them here at the stand, and I think, yeah.
I've got 3 questions for you.
Go ahead, Ben, always.
Number 1, can I integrate it with most smart home systems?
Yes, we have drivers for everyone. So yeah, it's a plug and play.
You name them, you've done a driver for them.
Say again?
You name them, you've done a driver for
Yes,
them.
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can see it here also at the wall. Yeah, that's also our philosophy. So we have the philosophy that every integrator can integrate us in less than 5 minutes. So it's just plug and play, and that's what you need.
Question 2, where do I find more information about Gude?
www.gude-systems.com.
Nice.
But
final questions?
or ISE. I come to ISE here at the stand. Come to booth 3E820.
And finally, if I was a UK integrator, which I am,
Yes.
where would I purchase these beautiful products from, my friend?
You can buy it from RGB.
And that's it. What a
Done.
wonderful job.
Easy. Or 1AV, also 1AV for the guys.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
yeah, don't forget that.
Yes.
We appreciate your time, Philip. Thank you very much for today.
Awesome.
See you on the next one.
Perfect. Thanks. See ya.